Hi there. If you watch my past videos, you know that many of my predictions came true. Now, that doesn't matter for you. What's important for you is to make money. And to help you, I have this membership for you, where I have 3 levels: Gladiator, Spartan, and Titan. To tell you directly, Titan gives you access to my portfolio. Every time I make a transaction, I will make a new video only for you. And by the way, my performance over the last 4 years, annual performance, has been over 30% a year. You can check this video, my portfolio performance. So 30% a year. While the S&P 500 only 12% and Apple 10%. Just a comparison. You see here inception and daily. And on top of that, you also get weekly updates on my portfolio. What's next? You know what to do with those investments. Then you also get real-time support via private message, one-on-one portfolio review. You have a portfolio, maybe with my stocks, from my portfolio or other stocks, and I will make a review for you. And also you get the best investment of the week. What's the best investment at that time? Plus bonus access to the previous level, Spartan and Gladiator. And for Spartan, you get access to memory-only videos, top 3 stocks every month to invest in, maybe different from my portfolio, of course they'll be different, ongoing investing course, plus Q&A videos, and custom-made videos at your request. In Gladiator, memory-only videos, early access to new videos, priority reply to comments, loyalty badges next to your name, and custom emoji. The most value you get from Titan Investor because you get access to my portfolio and you know my past performance over 40% a year. Also, if you check all the videos, you can check all the videos and see my prediction. Most of them came true. And this is the best value for you. Now, as my performance went up so much, I've also increased the price for my membership. Gladiator close to $2, Spartan $25, and Titan Investor, where you get access to great investment ideas backed by real performance results, close to $100. So, if you want to stop losing money, increase your results, increase your profits, join my membership. And to do that, simply go to my profile, press join here, and you have access to my portfolio. You scroll down and choose Titan Investor. You already see my members here. People who join do have access to this amazing portfolio and performance over 30%. And that's it. See you there.